Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Fartboy. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Big the CoinsKid crew. So Fartboy is doing incredibly well. It is a meme coin. Like I said to you, I've been targeting meme coins, been looking at meme coins for a very long time with yourselves. I did build a tool on CoinsKid.com and I'll go through with that with you in a moment on exactly how and why I did pick Fartboy. And I'll explain myself in this video why I did pick this particular coin. And you know, at the moment, I'm just accumulating this coin on any dips. And at the moment, there is a bit of a resistance wall that we've got to get through. It's around about 50 million market cap. Now we did pick this up, full transparency. I'll go through exactly why I picked this coin. Again, it's not pump and dump. What happened with this particular coin is I noticed that it had been rug pulled already. And by rug pulled, if those people are not familiar with this space, basically a developer, a scammy developer will come out, he'll create a coin, it looks really good, and then what he'll do, it'll come up, and then boom, he'll sell it. But what he tends to do, he tends to hide the fact that he owns a lot of coins, and it's easily detectable. I'm going to show you how you can find that in today's video as well. If you are buying any future meme coins, I'll show you exactly how you can find that, and the things you can do to protect yourself, and then obviously not get involved in these projects that, you know, are scams basically. So the reason I did relay this to the CoinsKid crew is an opportunity, because I did figure out, okay, really simply, if a developer has bought the coins and started it out and he sent loads of coins to different wallets and he's rug pulled already, then, you know, the very likelihood of that happening again is zero, isn't it? So this is why I was targeting a meme coin. I was looking at meme coins that cool, you know, cute, funny, whatever, and this one stuck out to me. So I'll show you exactly how I found that coin and the process. Really simple, and you know, it's just trying to think outside the box basically. I was just trying to provide my community with an opportunity to make a lot of money in this space, okay, against herd mentality, and this is something I do on the channel. It's been picked up, the community's picking up, it's trending, there's memes, there's YouTube videos, there's TikToks, there's Reddit posts, there's all sorts. It's going crazy. The author of the Fartboy books, you know, which is basically what this meme coin is based on, he's been in touch, he's loving it, he's, you know, he's really backing the community and the drive right now, so it's doing really well. But at the minute there is a bit of a scrap going on. There is a bit of a sell wall from some of these early investors that got rug pulled, and that is completely understandable. Some of these pre-CTO whales have woke up and have seen, okay, well, that coin I bought for, like, you know, $50 or $100 or whatever they paid for it, and I lost all my money. Wow, I'm sitting in a load of profit. So naturally they're going to say, okay, I'm going to take some profit here. You know, so we're seeing some of them early whales, there's not many of them, they're beginning to take a bit of profit, which is completely understandable, and that is just absolutely being absorbed up by the community, which is amazing. You know, there's a lot of people behind this, and this is basically what meme coins are. They're cult driven, they're community based, people get behind them, and that's what drives them. You know, it's like almost like a football team. You get lots of support and it just gets backed. You know, so this is basically what we've done. We've created this beautiful community around Fartboy, and there's a movement here. And again, a lot of people saying, am I late to the party and things like that. Personally, I don't think you are. What we do, we look at market caps. I'll go through that with you in today's video. So I've got some projections. Whether or not they get there, I don't know, but I'm just looking at previous meme coins and market cap potentials as, you know, scenarios that we could actually get to in this market. But this, hopefully, for the CoinsKid crew, has been one of the best calls I've ever, you know, given on your channel, because the market cap at the time when I did mention it and found this particular coin, I bought this micro cap meme coin Fartboy, you know, it was around about 8.34 on Thursday the 15th of January right there. Mahawi, Sam, 8k market cap, all these people buying little bits and bobs, and like I relayed here, I think it says it's Fartboy, anything fart related seems to be blowing up, plus this is a micro cap, only bought what I'm prepared to lose, and this is something I do relay to you, okay? I see a lot of people that, you know, selling XRP, Cardano, Bitcoin and so on and so forth. I do think that time will come, but this coin needs a little bit more stability than, you know, just diving in with everything you've got right now. For me, it's just a little, you know, a little trade basically I'm looking at, and again, only invest what you can afford to lose, because it is a meme coin, it's very volatile. So I'm going to go through why I picked this coin, the process in which I picked it, and then again, you can try and find coins during this process, but I just figured out that it's been rug pulled. What are the likelihood of it being rug pulled again? You know, it's a lovely opportunity, and so far it's been a massive opportunity for the CoinsKid crew so far. Let me dive into how I found this coin and the tokenomics, okay? So I did create a section on CoinsKid.com way back there. I released it in October at the start of that big impulse. It's called Moonshots. It's on the CoinsKid.com website, and it's Solana filtered coins. Okay, we've got non-filtered and filtered. So it basically went into the filtered coins, click market cap, and what I was doing, I was looking down this list and I was looking for really small market caps. For example, like this one here, Minion. It came out 17 hours ago. It's hot, it's trending. So I just clicked on it, check Minion. I went to rug check. Really simple, done the check on it, and it came back all positive, all good, pretty much like this one. Then I went back to CoinsKid.com and I checked the deck screener. Okay, and this is another process. Check the deck screener. Once you load deck screener, this is the chart basically, and just down here you've got these tabs basically. You've got transactions, top traders, snipers, holders, liquidity providers, and bubble maps. And you can clearly see on this particular coin it's absolutely bolted out the traps, and then it's going sideways like that. So there is a way of finding out whether or not the coin has basically been started by a developer, is airdrop loads of coins to different wallets, and then it increased the probability of the intentions of sniping the coin. Well, sniping is basically where a vast majority of supply is held by linked wallets, and at that point increase the probability of it being rug pulled, because obviously if it starts out the traps and all these wallets own, then they can sell from them wallets, and then boom, that's where your rug pull comes in. Really, really simple. So you can clearly see here, we've got this person here sold all his coins, he's got $174 profit. Go down here, this sold all, 2,397 profit, 1,800. So this coin has basically come out and it's been sniped already. So the fact that if you go down this list, you can see that sold all, so on and so forth. It does increase probability. Okay, well, this has been sniped. If you're looking for a decent coin to come back up and you can get a community behind it, then it's an opportunity. And that's exactly the scenario that I'm looking at with Fartboy right there. So I'll show you Fartboy, the tokenomics on deck screener, and something else you can do just to make sure that it has been sniped. Okay, let me show you right now. So looking at deck screener, this is the best place to be if you're looking for the tokenomics and trading activity, so on and so forth, snipers, traders, holders, liquidity providers, and obviously bubble maps as well. This is the best place to be, deck screener. Okay, I'll drop the link in the video description, and you can clearly see at the moment you've got buying pressure kicking in and selling and things like that. You can see all sorts of activity here. If you look down the list, you've got whales that are buying here. Look at these whales represented in this icon. You've got that whale there that's just sold off a little bit, and then you've got these dolphins and minnows and so on and so forth. So you can just clearly see what's going on with the market. So anyway, what I think's happening here, and again, nothing I say is financial advice, I did relay this to in a recent video, but we've got this high level support where we're creeping up into this 10 million psychological level basically, and we broke out and then we did the same. This level of resistance here around about the 15 million market cap, and then boom, high level support, and you broke out. But what this has done is this ran right into another psychological level of resistance basically, and this is why I do target market cap over price, because you can see the psychological levels. So what we've got is the 50 million market cap. Look at that, we're struggling to get above it, the 50 million mark. So I do think at the moment anyway, we've got this structural high structural high low, where we've got the resistance pretty much like what we did here. Got the resistance, breakout, and obviously the bigger picture here, the resistance from the early days when it broke out, resistance, support, into the resistance of around about 10 million, wasn't it? And then boom, broke out. So very, very similar structure at the moment, where we've got this buying pressure kicking in at the high lows. So if this compresses from left to right, then this could break out overnight, and those people that are selling all these coins here, distributing, they're waking up seeing them profits. I don't blame them for selling, absolutely don't. But those people that are taking profits and distributing, this could double overnight, and at that point you run into the 100 million market cap, and then from there I do think we could potentially be looking at this coin start to go really, really viral and gain a lot of attention, where again people start to sell off at that psychological level, and then it pushes through that. So I do have targets in mind because of previous meme coins that I've seen do this, the likes of Bonk. We looked at that from around about 36 million it was in 2023 when I got involved, and that absolutely bolted to $4 billion market cap. Now that would be absolutely amazing for the CoinsKid crew if that plays out like this, but again, nothing to say is financial advice. I've not got any guarantees. I can't see into the future. I'm just projecting because of the previous meme coins that I've traded, and then obviously for those people who've been on the channel, I think it was October last year, I was looking at meme coin opportunities with yourselves. I was looking at Fartcoin around about 26 million market cap, and that bolted. It just tapped that 2 billion market cap recently. So I look at those guides, potential scenarios where this coin could potentially get to. So again, nothing I say is financial advice. It's a meme coin, it's very volatile, I wouldn't go in your life savings. It's very volatile, and there will be ups and downs in this market, as there is in every single market, but for me, I'm not selling, I'm holding on for dear life, and I hope we can get to them particular targets in time with the community backing this particular project. But anyway, that's me. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Okay, so anyway, looking at this particular project, you can clearly see it's coming up upstairs, the ball's coming upstairs, coming sideways from left to right, a little bit of buying pressure kicking in, holding this high structural support as we go, basically. So we don't see any significant concerns in this particular price action and chart so far. So one of the reasons I did pick this coin is because I checked it, like I've shown you, a rug check, fantastic. It had a good mark in just low liquidity, and then obviously I'd seen it had been sniped. So I checked the snipe here, and what happened is, if you take a look at this wallet here, this I think is a developer, basically, and I go through as to why I do think it's a developer, and this is the reason this coin tanked in the first place, is because a developer held all, basically. Now I think that this needs to be updated, because at the moment this is showing that he still currently holds all, but actually he doesn't. He's already sold it, so it's saying unrealized profit is 15.8 million. Well, it's not, because this developer is actually already sold, and I'll show you exactly why. So, you know, if anyone can get in touch with Dex Screener, they need to update this, because he's actually sold all his coins. And this is something I did check before calling it. So basically, just there, you've got all these snipers in the game. You've got this one here that's currently holding $18, so on and so forth, from an early buying. But this coin here, this developer, this is his wallet address. He bought 442 million coins. He distributed those coins to multiple wallets, I think around about 30 wallets or something, and then boom, he sold them all at the same time to rug pull the project and take as much money out of the liquidity pool as he possibly could. So again, you can do this, just come to this link here, go along, you've got this link, and this drops you into the soul scan. So I'll look at the tokenomics with you right now and show you why I did make that post, because this was wrong, basically. Dex Screener, this is wrong, so someone needs to get in touch with him to update to sold all, basically. Let me show you, okay? So I think this is the developer account. This is the person that rugged it. This is the sole reason why it shot up so much and then rugged, okay, because of this particular account. So this account is being shown on Dex Screener as an account that's held all, but I'll show you why they've not held all. And what they did, they actually distributed to multiple wallets, 22 million tokens to multiple wallets, and then sold all those tokens in a quick rug pull, basically, which sucked all the liquidity out of the pool. So, you know, just an example of a rug pull, really, really simple. So I actually think that Dex Screener basically showing a held all green dot when it should be sold all. You know, so what we've got, really simple. All you do is come to the address, which is this address here, go to portfolio, and again, this is how I check, you know, coins in the future and things like that. If you're looking for snipe accounts and it's saying held or sold or whatever, this is what you want to do. You just want to do a little bit of research, click portfolio, go to the token account address, which is where the tokens are held in this particular address. Click that and you can see all the activity. So 21 days ago, look at that, sent 22 million coins out, but not to just one address. He sent them to all these addresses, okay? Lots of addresses. So if we go to the last page, page 3, you can clearly see 21 days ago, this particular address bought $3,193 worth of Fartboy tokens. It was roughly $442 million worth of 442 million tokens, I do apologise. And then what he did, he started to distribute to all these addresses. Look at that, okay? And then boom, these addresses, if you click on a random address, you can clearly see they no longer hold Fartboy tokens, because what they did, if you go to the tokenomics and look at transfers, 20 days ago, they actually started to sell out, you know, $4,770 right there. They started to sell out the Fartboy tokens, you know, so they sold all them there, they sold all them there, and all them there. So basically, he sent all the coins, you know, 440 million odd, and then all these accounts just rugged the liquidity out of the pool right there. So it's already been rugged by the developer that held a massive amount of supply right there. So that was it, you know, that was the thing that said to me, okay, this could be an opportunity. It's already been rugged. You know, Dex Screener's wrong. They're showing that green dot when it should actually be a red dot. It should have, you know, it should be sold all, and that's it. And that's why I did relay the opportunity to the CoinsKid crew, because I thought, you know, what's the likelihood of this particular coin being rugged once more? So, you know, I think at the moment the tokenomics are being evenly distributed, which is really good. You know, the whales are selling and the buying pressure's coming in, so that means that, you know, them pre-CTO whales, you know, are selling off, and it's just getting absorbed. And this is what we see, you know, with strong tokenomics and bullish momentum in these coins. So I wish everyone the utmost luck with this, but like I said to you, it is a meme coin. It could be one of the best opportunities that I've ever given the CoinsKid crew on this channel. I mean, we got in at 8.7k market cap in the Discord right there. And again, you can try and find these meme coins. We do have a meme coin section in Discord that's blowing up. Lots of little meme coins in there. There's many other meme coins that are doing really well. So definitely get involved. In fact, my daughter Evie, she's jumped on board right now, and she's researching researching, and the thing with kids is they are savvy, they are in with the trends, and she's on TikTok and she noticed a trend yesterday and she did make a call basically on Twitter. Do give her a follow. I'll drop the link to her Twitter account, but she made a call yesterday on a coin because she spotted the trend and then seen the coin, and basically I think that's done a 32x overnight, which is really good, you know. So kids, we've got to pay attention to our kids going forward. Us old folk are not very savvy with these trends basically. So, you know, Eve is on board, my daughter, right now, and she's eyes are glued, you know, to trend spotting and then opportunities she's going to present to you going forward. So definitely give her a follow, okay? Take care, everyone. Back to an update on Fartboy. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.